How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. So I got a lot of questions about the FullTang Tactical Kit Bag and how do I carry water on it? As in, you know, life water bottles, or even if you really wanted to, you could do an Nalgene. But what I particularly carry is a Ultra Press from Grail. So it's a water, filter, purifier, pretty nice. And this rides in line with my kit. Now, I particularly do not like placing things on the side vertically, mainly because I often, or pretty much all the time with this kit, wear a backpack. So your backpack straps come down along this general region, and I don't like reaching behind me to try to grab this out of my backpack. It's just myself. And I've noticed that when I put this kit together, there's an open space behind this, right in here. This is a FullTang Tactical Kit Bag, and then also the mini dangler from Ferro Concepts. And this tends to push forward, and there's kind of a large opening right here. So I figured, why not try to put something cylindrical in line like a water bottle? And I've been testing this for over a year, and granted with different pouches, but I've finally settled on the HRT hand warmer. I've had this in circulation for many years. Really good product for, of course, your hands and on plate carriers and stuff. But I figured, why the heck not just mount it to this, and I have a hand warmer, but also I have a location to put water for easy access as I'm hiking. I don't have to reach back and grab stuff, or I don't have to put it up on my chest, because I want, for at least for this kit, my pistol for easy access, which is, of course, rides in here, fairly easy to get to. But I also want water, because you're constantly consuming water as you go through with it, your hike and stuff like that. So I just pretty much attached the HRT hand warmer right straight to this. You can put a hand warmer actually inside this so your water doesn't freeze, especially if you're using something like this. Really handy in the winter time, but this just fits in there and it's really easy. Now, the first thing that I noticed testing this is, hey, this thing sags, as you see, and it kind of flops around. So what I did is I just took one wrap, just simple Velcro, kind of a cable tie, right? It has the hook or the loop on this side, hook on this side, fairly cheap. You can find this on Amazon by the roll. It's fairly inexpensive, but I use it all the time for stuff, especially for MOLLE, weaving new pouches that maybe don't come with things. It's very handy in that kind of tactical community, believe it or not. And I just put it in here because it's Velcro, right? So it attaches to, pieces like this very easily. And I sandwiched it between this FullTang Tactical Kit Bag because it has that slot, which is really handy. And what I do is I just roll it up and I connect it, right? Now it's there. It's not punching out the sides. I'm not going to lose it. Rolled up fairly nicely, insulated from, cold weather, and also it helps with the heat, but it's easy accessible because I can just reach down to the bottom, unbuckle this. It won't fall down like that because you'll be having pressure up against it with your chest, and then you can just pull this out and drink when you need. Hey, go back inside, you just roll it up real quick and buckle it. Super simple. The same thing was done on the other side. I just took one wrap, put it through on the back side, and came up and made a buckle. Now, you don't even have to do a buckle. If you don't have one laying around, you don't want to purchase it, you can just get two pieces of one wrap, whichever size. These are two different sizes, but you would just weave this in between here, right, and have a flap coming over the side, and then you'd have the same exact one going over, and you just overlap them, just like that, right? So it retains it, but then if you want it, you just unbuckle it, which of course you would go hook to loop, not hook to hook, right, like that. And it would retain it the same way. You don't even need the buckle. And then if you want to access it, just grab it, peel it off, it opens up, put it back on. Super simple, very cheap and easy modification. Like I said, I use this stuff quite a bit for different pouches and stuff like that. A lot of it comes with your gear, stuff like that. But yes, the HRT hand warmer, it is a hand warmer, but I'm also using it as a sleeve to put things. Now, if you don't want to put water there, you could probably put bear spray in there if you really wanted to. Yes, it may not be quick accessible, but it's another way to carry it on your body that isn't lining up with your backpack straps. So that's kind of the benefit. So this is what I'm running. I've been running this for a couple months, been testing it out, and mainly the water bottle in this kind of horizontal configuration. I've been running that for over a year with different pouches, and I like it. It works out for me and how my kit works and all that kind of stuff. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, definitely like, subscribe, greatly appreciate it. I'll try to link some of this stuff like One Wrap and stuff, Amazon links, if you would like to purchase some. It's just quick, easy links for you guys. Just hit it. And yes, I do make some, you know, percentage, as in, you know, a few cents barely off of this if you would purchase it. But other than that, that's what I'm running. I had a few questions about it. Here's my explanation, DIY, and also kind of showing the FullTang kit bag, or FullTang Tactical kit bag, like its capabilities. If you guys like this kind of stuff, like, subscribe, greatly appreciate it. Hope you all have a great day.